My friends, brothers, sisters, other humans, tell me now, seriously, are you ready to transform in these 3 days? This is not theory, this is real. So let's get some energy in that body with a nice big breath in and exhale. Breathe in and exhale. And again, nice breath in and stretch it over to one side. Stretch it over to the other side. And lean back, lean forward, and give me a nice loud moan. Oh. And now, let's bounce. Come on now. We're going to have to bounce our way through life. And there are going to be knockdowns. But the harder we get knocked down, the higher we can rise. And again, let's get a nice big breath of air in your beautiful body. And stretch it over to one side with one hand. Beautiful. Stretch it over to the other side with one hand. And hands on your hips, circling those hips. So many of us get tension, stress stuck in the hips. So what we've got to do, we've got to move it out and change direction. And if you want to make anything sexy, guess what? You'll feel better. Come on, who's got the sexy circle? Okay, now tense it all up and let it go. Tense it all up and let it go. You need to get the tense it all up and let it go. Now we're going to go punch, punch, clap, clap. Punch, punch, clap, clap. Come on, we're going to go punch, punch, clap, clap. But what we're going to do, punching through the ceiling that have been blocking you in life, in your personal life, your business life. Imagine smashing through that, but with some energy. So we go punch, punch, clap, clap, but with some energy. So people, tell me, are you ready? Let's go. Punch, 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 nice, punch, 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 punch. Now, climbing that ladder in life. We've got to climb that ladder in life. We've got to climb those mountains. Nice. There's going to be a money mountain, a health mountain, relationship mountain. We got to climb them all. And now twist it. Come on now, twist it. And take it around. Take it around the world. Come on now, show me how you celebrate. Come on, let me see your body being free. Come on, show it to me. Get those hands up. Oh yes. Give yourselves and each other a little round of applause.
Like, share, and comment on 3 videos this week to grab your chance at 3 days with Skip at Supercharge Your Life.